This is how you create cinematic text reveal effect in Premiere Pro. I've already got the clip on the timeline, so I'll start by trimming it right from this frame. Next, I'm using the text tool to add some text. After that, extend the text layer to align with your video clip's duration. From the Effect Controls panel, you can tweak settings like font type, size, letter spacing, color, and more, depending on your needs. Let's switch back to the selection tool. To center the text, just hold down the Control or Command key and drag it to the middle. Now, click on the pen icon to draw a free Bezier mask. Set the mask feather to a value of 2. Begin by clicking on the back of Cyclist to place your first point, then keep adding points around the subject to form a precise mask. For the front section, you only need to cover the text entirely, so you don't have to be too exact with your masking. Move forward a few frames. I think this frame is perfect for tracking the cyclist movement. Now check that inverted option, and then click the stopwatch icon next to mask path to create the first keyframe. You can zoom in on the preview screen for better visibility. Then move frame by frame, adjusting the points as needed. If required, add extra points for a precise masking. Repeat these steps until the entire text is revealed. Now, you can change its blend mode if necessary. But I just want to give a glow effect. For that, hold Alt or Option key and drag this text layer to duplicate it. Make sure to select bottom text layer and head over to Effects panel. Search for the Gaussian blur effect and double-click to apply it. From Effect Controls panel, let's increase the value of blurriness, and this is what you will end up with.